no power. Those screws are connected. Doorbell's ringing when I cross. Those screws. So we've got power. Now, okay, kind of hard doing this when I'm holding, but we'll manage. So now, again, no power, nothing on the side button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this screw here. Let's do the white one, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So I'm going to take this off and just put it back on. Oh, look, power. Now it's just connect to the internet. Working just fine. Every few hours I have to do that in order to make this work.